What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to play Xbox games on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, open the Microsoft Store application on your Windows 11 and then search Xbox. So once you do that, you're gonna find the Xbox application, download or get the application and then click open. So now what we're gonna do is sign in to your Xbox account and make sure your your laptop is connected to the same network as your Xbox, so you can be able to remote play from your Windows 11 laptop. So connect to your Xbox account, and once you do that, go to the settings and enable remote play. If you don't know how to do that, we're gonna make another video and show you guys how to do it. But as long as you sign in and enable remote play on the settings of your Xbox application, you're gonna be able to play your games without any issues. And also you can connect your Xbox controller with a USB cable and play the games you like on your Xbox in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please share with your friends, like or dislike the video, and also subscribe and visit our official website, theinternetmoola.com. Thanks for watching again. See you guys on the next video. Bye.